Hello class, in this video of chapter Water a Natural Resource of class 7 we are going to study about the next topic, that is depletion of water table. What is depletion of water table? Depletion means something to be lowered down, means something which gets shortened. So how the water table gets depleted? Because we are dependent on the water resources for our need, and water table is a primary resource of fresh water for us. So if we use the fresh water from the water table at a faster rate, then the consumption is going at a faster rate, but the replenishment of the water table is slower because of it is a natural process. So then the water table may go down. The main reasons for the water table to be depleted are: first is rise in population. When the population rises, like in India, the more than 100 crores of people live, and the area is limited. So when the number of people grow quickly, the needs of the people also remain same, and it increases multiple. So what happens that we are dependent on the fresh water resource for the drinking, cleaning, washing, cooking, on everything, and we take the water from the underground, from the water table. So this increases the rate of consumption, but the rate of replenishment is lower. Why? Because when the people grow, or we can say the number of people grow, then everybody requires to live in a constructed area. The schools are opened, the industries are formed, the buildings are made, and all these are the areas which are constructed by the concrete and all these things, which lower down the seeping of the water into the ground, which depletes the water table slowly. So this is the one prime reason for the depletion of water table. The second is increase in agriculture. When the people are increasing in the number, the agriculture need is also increasing. Everybody requires to feed. So the agriculture is also required to be done in more amount. So the farmers in India, like they are dependent on the rainwater. But rain is not having a proper interval of time. So they make canals from the rivers for the irrigation purposes. But because of the less rain, or because of the insufficient amount of water available in the rivers, the canals also dries up. So irrigation process also is done by using the underground water, which causes the depletion of water table. The third is increase in industrialization. The people are increasing, their needs are increasing, their requirements are also increasing. For that, every day new industries are formed and new factories are opened. And this increases again because for the factory purposes also, in many works they require fresh water, and this water was also taken from the underground only, which causes the depletion of water table. The fourth one is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. In the forest, large number of trees are present. Trees hold the soil by their roots very strongly, and they oppose, or they slower down the flow of rainwater on the ground, which increases the rate of absorption of water through the soil. When the trees will not be there, the water will flow quickly and the absorption will be less. This will also cause in the depletion of water table. So these are the primary reasons because of which the water table gets depleted. And when the water table gets depleted, then because our primary resource of fresh water is water table, we are going to face the scarcity of fresh water. So we must take some steps to avoid all these things, or lower down all these things, so that water table doesn't go down very quickly.